An adult and 3 underage people are facing charges after authorities say they stole from a gun and ammo store in Priceville today. You're looking at photos here shared by the Priceville Police Department as they were investigating this incident. Now this afternoon, officials announced they identified 4 suspects. One of them is Makai William Burt. Officials say he was arrested and charged with second-degree burglary. Police also say 3 juveniles are involved and will face charges. This comes after the department says several firearms were stolen from Tucker's Guns and Ammo around 3 this morning.